Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm not sure, I forgot what gigabyte I got, but I'll try to link it below or I'll put it across the screen. So I did order through my cell phone provider because I do have the Next Up, I believe. I don't know if AT&T is the only carrier that offers it, but I've been doing the Next Up with AT&T for years, and I really like it because I can always take advantage of getting the new phone with just paying like a percentage of my phone if I haven't. I don't know how they work it out, but it's really not that much that you have to pay to upgrade. So just showing you right here, this is what the box looks like. I'm going to go ahead and tear off the first seal. And then we're going to go ahead and tear off the bottom seal, and we're going to see what the phone looks like. Now, I don't believe I've ever had a white iPhone. I always tend to get the new iPhones when they come out, but I don't ever remember having a white one, I don't think. So when I saw the white color, I was really excited. As you can see here, I really love it. Just posing for my thumbnail really quick. But this is what came inside of the box. Now, I was a little shocked to see that that's all that came in the box. To me, it feels like every year the boxes get lighter and lighter, meaning like there's less and less in the box every year. So went ahead and pulled off the covering, and I cannot lie, I love this white. The white is so pretty to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get back to the box and show you all exactly what came inside of it. So I did get a charging cable, and I do like these cables, the cables that feel like material instead of the traditional charger cables that we used to get that were wrapped in like plastic. I'm going to get a close up so you all can see what I mean by these chargers are wrapped in fabric. I believe it's some sort of fabric, but I like these ones a lot. They've been more durable in my experience than the other chargers, so I really like that. I did not get a charging block, but I'm not shocked about that because I don't think charging blocks have been in the new iPhones for some time at this point. I also get my instructions, and that is it. I didn't see an Apple sticker, so maybe I overlooked it. Maybe it's somewhere in the instructions, but I don't think that it is. If you all know where the Apple stickers, if this phone came with an Apple sticker or not, just comment down below. But I didn't see one in my box. So I'm thinking that maybe they don't come with Apple stickers. So that's really all that came inside of this box, just some instructions and the charging cable along with the phone. So this is again what the box looks like. Here's the cable. And what else did I get? And yeah, I got that little piece of foam to protect the phone. Just feeling it, it doesn't feel too heavy. I know that this phone is bigger than any of the phones that I've had in the past as far as Apple devices are concerned, and just wanted to know if it would feel heavier, and it really doesn't feel that heavy to me. Now I did do like a comparison video going over a different iPhone model on my second channel at Brittany's Place, so I will link that down below if you want to watch that video too. And then I also just filmed an unboxing video for 2 phone cases that I really like. So I'll leave that video down below too if you want to watch it. So all I'm doing now is I'm just transferring the information from my older phone over to the new phone. And I forget which, I think this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max that I'm transferring over. And it's really cool because it's very simplistic to transfer everything over. All you have to do is just hold up your old phone to the new phone and like have this code fit into the phone, keep your phones connected to Wi-Fi, answer a few prompts, and you can transfer everything right over. I started the process, but I didn't finish it that way. I went ahead and manually set up my phone, and because I signed into my Apple ID, still mostly everything transferred over. I did that because I needed to run out the house right after I recorded this video. So I wasn't on Wi-Fi, but I still needed to use my phone and use some apps. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.